Hello friends, today we are going to discuss important topic of a compiler design, that is handle and pruning. Handle and pruning. What is handle? Handle is nothing but a terminal which is to be available at the right side of a production. So in here there are three productions are available. S implies small a, B, E, and particular what we can say that terminals are available at the right size, and these terminals are called as handle. And now pruning. What is pruning? Pruning is nothing but the procedure or process what kind of production is to be pruned. Suppose here we have A, B, C. We have a terminal at right side, and how, which production we are going to use for the same. This is nothing but pruning. Okay, pruning means kam karna. Okay, so here we are going to discuss this thing with the help of a suitable example. Here we have three productions, that is S implies small a, capital A, B, E. Then we have capital A, B, C or B. Then B implies D, and we have input string that is A, B, B, C, D, E. Now we have to handle pruning parsing input string with the help of this particular input string. Now we have three columns over there: right sensational form, handle, and reducing production. First, we have start with A, B, B, C, D, E. Here we are start with A. So if we go at the right side of the production, so here we find that the only one symbol is not available. That's why we shifted to the right, shifted to the next symbol, that is B. So B is available at A production, so here we are going to handle B terminal, that is B, and reducing production is A produces B. Here we are going to see that A is produces B. Next, here we are write that A, B, okay, B is your A. So here next is your A, B, C. So here we are going to handle a terminal that is right hand side of a production, and the pruning is pruning production is A produces A, B, C. That's why here we will write A in right sensational form, A, capital A, D, E. Now next is your D. So here we are going to find out for D we have a production B produces D. Now we have get A, B, E. Okay, A, B, E. So here we are going to handle this production, and our starting symbol is your yes. So in this way handle and pruning is work. So if you like handle and pruning use the concept of right sentential form. It travels what we can say that take the input from left to right, but reverse order. If you go through those, so here we will get our starting symbol, or what we can say that bottom up parsing technique. If we go through the bottom up parsing technique, that is from leaf node to the starting node, here we will get our uh, parse tree. So RMD in handle and pruning, right mode derivation is performed in a revised order. Just see over here, as produces capital small a, capital A, B, E. Then just in the same form this production is to be applied, and finally we will get from what we can say that top node to the leaf node we will get our string. So thus in this way handle and pruning is work. Thank you so much.